Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and this is going to be another one brand tutorial featuring Colourpop. I have seen so many of these going around and I just feel like it's an amazing idea. Colourpop has so many products and I have loved them since day one. Since their Super Shock shadows launched, I have been a fan of Colourpop. So I am so happy that I'm doing this video today, and I'm so happy that they have pretty much every single thing that you need to complete a full face. The only things that I use today that are not from Colourpop are my brow primer, and that's because that's my Nars brow primer. You guys know that is what I use every single time to prime my brows. Like I'm not straying away, I'm sorry. And I also used different lashes, obviously, and mascara because Colourpop does not make lashes or mascara. So other than that, every single thing on my face is from Colourpop, and I am so in love with the way this look came out, and I hope that you guys like it too. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please just keep on watching. So to start this look off, I am gonna take the Colourpop All-Star Matte and Blur Primer. I'm just gonna put this into my T-zone. If I look extremely tired, it's because I tried to film. That smells mad good. If I look super tired, it's because I tried to film this video at 5 o'clock in the morning and that did not work out. That's rude. I'm sorry, but Colourpop does not make this. This is the Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. You guys know this is my, thank you. This is my favorite for priming my eyebrows. I don't even think that Colourpop has an eyeshadow primer. Actually, I know that they don't, because if they did, I would have it. So I am just putting this into my eyebrows. Don't be mad at me. Look at my eye bags. Like, you can tell that I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning today, okay? I'm gonna take a BH Cosmetics angled brush. Just like, I really wanted to find my Anastasia Beverly Hills angled brush, but I only have one and it's dirty right now. And for my eyebrows, I'm gonna take the brow color in Black and Brown. I don't know if this color is even gonna be good. It looks a little warm, but we're gonna try it out, I guess. And I know that they have brow pencils, but I tried one and I didn't like it at all. I'm just like putting it on the back of my hand because I'm so nervous. I want like no product. Oh my god. That's so warm. Like I can just see it right now. I think they need to expand their color range, maybe. I feel like it probably doesn't even look like it's that warm, but to me it looks like it's that warm, but that's okay. Oh. Who said that I'm good at makeup? Who said that? Because we need to talk. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's getting worse. I don't know what I'm doing. Can you tell? So this is how I'm leaving the brows for now. They're not good, but. So I'm gonna do my foundation. I'm using the Colourpop No Filter foundation. I'm using the color Medium Dark 145. Oh, I think this color is dark, I don't remember. And I'm just gonna bounce it. To carve out my brows, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Medium 30, which is pretty light, but that's how Mama likes it. And then I think I'm gonna use it also to prime my lids. Like, do I even want to carve these out? They don't look good. The brush I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills 18 brush, by the way. It's what I always use. I do also have the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. I think this is just a clear one. Yeah, it's definitely just a clear one. Look at this little brush. This is so adorable. I'm gonna use this for some reason. I guess I want to set these brows for some strange reason. I'm gonna take the same No Filter concealer to prime my eyes. But you guys know I do not prime my eyes usually with concealer. I don't like it. I rather like an actual primer, but Colourpop doesn't make one yet. Colourpop, get on it please. This is the Makeup Shayla Perception palette. See, this is why I don't like to prime with concealer. Can you see the creasing? I'm gonna grab a MAC 224 blending brush, and I'm gonna go first into the color Culture. Wait, that's a lie. Culture. And I'm gonna just put this into my crease. I'm going for a warm eye look today. I know that's shocking. I know that just stopped everybody in their tracks. I know. I'm gonna grab a Coastal Scents Pro Blending Fluff and I'm gonna go into the color Thic, which is this beautiful orange shade right here. I want this color to be like basically on my entire lid. I want it in my crease, I want it on my outer V, I just want it everywhere. This is like the star. So starting on the outer V, but then working it into the crease. I'm gonna take the Real Techniques shading brush and I'm gonna go into the color Revenge, which is just right next to Thic. It's just like a little bit less orange, a little bit more of like a raspberry kind of situation. And I'm gonna work this only on the outer V. But just like on this whole entire situation, like on my outer V, but on the outer crease as well. It's not gonna do much except just like reinforce that warmth that I want out there so badly. I'm back with the Coastal Scents blending brush. No additional product, just to blend that out. Going back with the Real Techniques shading brush, I'm gonna take Played Out, which is this like deep plum shade. And I'm gonna work this on my outer V as well. I'm gonna keep it lower. Okay, what? That is really pigmented and I was not ready for that. I'm gonna go back with the Coastal Scents brush. I'm gonna take Revenge again, and I'm just gonna kind of blend out that line because that's intense. For my lid, I'm using the Supernova shadow. It is the Kathleen Lights X Colourpop in Constellation. I'm just all about this right now. That was the right decision. That was definitely, without a doubt, that was the right decision. Proud of myself. I'm all about liquid eyeshadows nowadays. Like, what did we even do before liquid eyeshadows? I don't know. I'm gonna take the Swerve Cream Gel Liner, which is just a black liner I specifically bought for this video. And I'm using the MAC 210 eyeliner brush. I have not used a gel liner pretty much since the last time I used one of these. So it's been a really long time. But I really wanted a wing with this look. I actually haven't done a wing unless it's with a cut crease in a very long time. Cut creases I just feel like need a wing usually, unless it's like a halo cut crease, but other than that I haven't done a wing in a really long time. I just made the biggest wings of all time, but we're just rolling with it. It's fine. So for concealer, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Golden 40. This one matches me a little bit better than the other shade. The other one is just a little bit lighter than this one. I was just not going for that look right now, so. But sometimes I do use the other one on my face, because I'm ballsy. I just can't get over how gigantic my wings are today and how much I actually really like that. For powder, I'm taking the No Filter powder. I just have the translucent color, but I believe they have other colors that are not translucent. But back to the eyes, I'm taking the Cream Gel Liner in Mr. Bing, which was part of the Kathleen Lights collab. like 2 collabs ago or something like that. But it's just like a very warm brown, and I just feel like it would go beautifully with this look. So I'm just running it in my waterline. I'm gonna take the MAC 212 brush and I'm gonna take the color Played Out, and I'm gonna put that right underneath my waterline. It matches very closely to the Mr. Bang pencil. Then I'm gonna grab a pencil brush. This one is, I will tell you right now, this one is by Morphe, but it doesn't have any type of anything on it. So I'm gonna take that with the color Thic, which is that bright orange color. And I'm just gonna blend out that lower lash line a little. Remember, I want it to be pretty smoky, pretty grungy, just like intense. This is Unbothered in the Perception palette. It's like, it looks like it's a nice highlight shade, but this one in the I Think I Love You palette looks more intense, and that's what I want. And I'm just gonna pop that on my inner corner. I'm gonna give my eyes just like a minute to breathe because they are watering like crazy. And we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna take my contour powder, which I don't know what the name of this is. I'm gonna be honest with you. You know what? I'm gonna check my phone right now. It is in the color Afternoon Delight. That's what that color is. Afternoon Delight. And I'm gonna take it with this Colourpop F2 brush, which is what I've been using recently to contour. And I'm just gonna contour. I'm taking the same bronzer with a Sigma E70, but this is like a little baby one. And I'm gonna contour my nose with that. Oh, I know what lashes I'm gonna wear. Oh, it's gonna be great. Now I'm taking another bronzer, but this one is much darker. I should show you the comparison, right? So this one is Afternoon Delight, which is what we just used. And then this one is the one we're about to use. This is the color Rodeo Drive, which I've used so many times. I absolutely love this bronzer. And I'm using the JH02 brush by Morphe, which I feel like I always am nowadays because it's my favorite. And I am basically gonna take a shower. For blush, I am taking this palette that has all Colourpop blushes in it. Ooh. And I think I'm gonna take this color, which is probably my favorite color in this entire palette. This is called Parakeet, and I'm gonna take it with the Time Los Angeles 103 brush. I'm just gonna go in. I love blush. You guys know I love blush. I love to pack it on no matter what. So for my lashes today, I'm gonna use the Lilly lashes in the style Carmel. Yes, Carmel. This one is like falling. I don't know why, but this is what they look like. They are so crazy intense. This one has fallen. I am gonna go in with mascara. I am using my Milk Makeup Kush mascara just because it's here. This is the Crush on You Super Shock highlighter palette. I love the Super Shock cheek formula. I think I'm gonna take the color Class Act, which is this one. I believe that's like the darkest color in the palette. And I'm taking the Morphe M510, which you guys know is my favorite. Oh my god, look at that. Why am I so excited for this? All right, that was very underwhelming. It's like it's getting there. It's not like it's getting there. My other lash is ready. Okay. Last up is lips, which is my favorite part because we are using some fun stuff. I am using the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the color Petit 4. So I'm gonna take that. It's like a very intense gray shade, but you're gonna, not even gray, like blue gray. You're gonna see it. I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Oh god, that's intense. So now that I look like a psychopath, I'm gonna go in with my lip color, which is the I don't know what this is called. I think it's just like the matte lipstick in the color JV. This came out with their fall collection, I believe, and this color just spoke to me on so many different levels. Okay, I got, literally it's the same exact color. It is super pigmented though. You know, I think I used a Colourpop lipstick in my last video. Okay guys, so this is the finished look using all Colourpop products. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you liked the way that this look came out as well. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Both those things are just the Katie Danger. I'll link it in the description box, as I always do, along with everything that we used in the video today. I feel like this is what I say in every single video. It's like an actual script I have or something. Don't forget to leave me a comment of the brand that you guys want to see me do like a one brand tutorial with next. I am definitely interested in that. I have a couple of brands in mind. One brand that I think I'm definitely doing next because I pretty much already have all the products to do it with. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and this video is so exciting. I say that every single time, but seriously,